disasters can strike at any time, without warning. Is your company prepared to handle the fallout? In this case study, we will explore how MAPL transformed a manufacturing company's IT infrastructure, ensuring business continuity in the face of disasters. Our client, a medium-sized manufacturing company with operations across multiple locations, recently experienced a significant IT outage due to a hardware failure. The disruption caused substantial financial losses, as the company had no formal disaster recovery or business continuity plan in place. They needed a solution to bounce back quickly from such incidents without experiencing significant losses. The client turned to MAPL, relying on our expertise to address their IT infrastructure challenges. With limited resources, they needed a partner to guide them in building resilience and preparedness in their operations. MAPL implemented innovative strategies and tools to create a comprehensive disaster recovery and business continuity plan for the client. Let's explore the key steps we took to ensure their quick recovery and seamless operations. Our team conducted a thorough assessment of the client's IT infrastructure, identifying vulnerabilities and risks, including outdated hardware, software, and security protocols. Based on the assessment, we developed a customized disaster recovery and business continuity plan that addressed the client's unique needs, including off-site data backups and redundant hardware. To ensure effectiveness, we recommended and conducted regular testing and simulations of disaster scenarios. This prepared the client's IT staff to implement the plan swiftly during emergencies. We implemented redundant hardware, including servers and storage devices, to ensure critical systems would continue functioning even in the event of a hardware failure. MAPL set up regular, automatic backups of the client's data to a secure off-site location, safeguarding critical information during a disaster. We provided training and support to the client's IT staff, ensuring they were familiar with the plan and capable of responding effectively to emergencies. MAPL offered continuous support, ensuring the disaster recovery and business continuity plan remained up-to-date and practical, with regular updates and reviews. After implementing MAPL's disaster recovery and business continuity plan, our client became more resilient and decisive. They could quickly resume normal operations after any incidents, minimizing financial losses and maintaining customer confidence. The plan also provided a competitive advantage, as customers appreciated the company's preparedness and resilience. Our client was thrilled with the results of our collaboration. They now had a clear roadmap for responding to future emergencies, allowing them to focus on growing their business with the peace of mind that their IT infrastructure was prepared for any eventuality. Are you looking for a partner who can help you navigate the complex world of disaster recovery and business continuity? Look no further than our experienced team at MAPL. Contact us today to learn how we can help you safeguard your IT infrastructure and ensure your business stays up and running.